What's protective, breathable, and perfect for summer? If you guessed motorcycle gear, you're right on the money. As the temperature rises, it's important to have the right gear to keep you cool and protected on your rides. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the best motorcycle gears for summer, so you can enjoy the season while staying safe and comfortable. Let's rev up those engines and dive in. Let's begin with mesh jackets. They are an excellent option for summer riding because they provide airflow and ventilation to keep you cool and comfortable while still offering the necessary protection in case of an accident. When it comes to buying a mesh jacket for summer riding, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, look for a jacket that is made of high-quality mesh material. The mesh should be durable and resistant to tearing or fraying, as well as provide enough airflow to keep you cool. Some popular mesh jacket materials include 3D mesh, polyester mesh, and mesh combined with textile materials. Second, consider the level of protection the jacket offers. Look for a jacket with CE-rated armor in the shoulders, elbows, and back to ensure that you're adequately protected in case of an accident. Third, think about the fit and comfort of the jacket. A well-fitting jacket will provide the necessary protection while still allowing you to move freely and comfortably on your motorcycle. Additionally, some mesh jackets offer adjustable straps or cuffs to customize the fit for your body. Some popular and reputable brands that offer mesh jackets for summer riding include Alpine Stars, Dainese, Revit, and Scorpion. When it comes to summer riding, a well-ventilated helmet is another essential to staying cool and comfortable on the road. After all, nobody wants to ride around with a hot, sweaty head all day long. So, let's talk about what to look for in a well-ventilated helmet. First and foremost, you'll want to look for a helmet with multiple vents that allow air to flow through. The more vents a helmet has, the more airflow you'll get, which means you'll stay cooler and more comfortable on those hot summer days. But it's not just about the number of vents. You'll also want to consider the placement of the vents. Look for helmets with vents in strategic locations, such as on top of the helmet, at the chin, or on the sides, to maximize airflow and keep you cool. Another important factor to consider is the material of the helmet. Some materials, such as carbon fiber or fiberglass, are naturally more breathable and will help to keep your head cool. Some popular and well-regarded brands that offer well-ventilated helmets for summer riding include Shoei, Arai, Bell, and AGV. Now that we've covered mesh jackets and ventilated helmets, let's talk about riding pants. When it comes to summer riding, you'll want to look for lightweight pants that allow air to flow through and keep you cool while still providing the necessary protection. One great option for summer riding is pants made from materials like mesh or perforated leather. These materials offer excellent airflow and ventilation, which will keep you cool and comfortable even on the hottest days. In addition to ventilation, it's important to look for riding pants that offer CE-rated armor in the knees and hips for protection. Some pants may also include additional features like reflective detailing or adjustable straps for a custom fit. When shopping for riding pants for summer riding, some popular options include mesh pants, perforated leather pants, and textile pants with mesh or ventilation panels. Brands like Alpine Stars, Dainese, Revit, and Scorpion offer a variety of riding pants designed specifically for warm weather riding. Just like with other gear, you'll want to look for gloves made from breathable materials to keep your hands cool and comfortable on hot summer days. Mesh or perforated leather gloves are great options for summer riding as they allow air to flow through and keep your hands from getting too sweaty or overheated. Some gloves may also feature additional ventilation in strategic areas like the fingers or back of the hand for even more cooling. When selecting summer gloves, don't forget about safety. Look for gloves that offer impact protection in the knuckles and palms and make sure they fit you properly to ensure maximum protection. Popular brands that offer well-ventilated gloves for summer riding include Alpine Stars, Icon, Held, and Dainese. Just like with other gear, prioritize fit, comfort, and protection when selecting summer gloves. Last but not least, let's talk about summer riding boots. Just like with other gear, you'll want to look for boots made from breathable materials to keep your feet cool and comfortable on hot summer days. Boots with mesh or perforated leather construction are great options for summer riding, as they allow air to flow through and keep your feet from getting too hot and sweaty. Look for boots that offer sturdy construction and good ankle protection, as well as a comfortable fit. Some popular brands that offer well-ventilated boots for summer riding include Alpine Stars, CD, and Dionysae. Just like with other gear, prioritize protection, comfort, and fit when selecting summer riding boots. Thank you for tuning into our video on motorcycle gears for summer riding. We hope that you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on motorcycle riding and gear. And don't forget to leave a comment below to let us know what you think and share any tips or recommendations you have for summer riding gear. Stay safe and cool on the road this summer, and we'll see you in the next video.